In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving sum of geometric progression at infinity for JAMB Maths. So guys, in this video, we have 4 repeated questions to practice with under this particular topic for JAMB Maths. So let's get started with this first question I have here. Now, the question says, find the sum of the infinite series. So once you hear the word infinite, know that it's talking about geometric progression. Alright, so to solve this, the formula to apply for finding sum of geometric progression at infinity, this is the formula a over 1 minus r, where a is the first term, the r is the common ratio. So guys, for this question, the first term we have a to be 1 over 3. We don't know the common ratio, so to get the common ratio, this is the procedure to get it. Alright, so we have it to be ratio this with division, so it will be 1 over 9 divided by 1 over 3. Alright, this same thing as 1 over 9 divided by 1 over 3. When you change this to multiplication, about what you have here, this will give you 1 over 9, alright, times 3 over 1. 3 is 1, 3 into 9 is 3. So the common ratio is 1 over 3. Now, it's either you do it this way, or when you do 1 over 27 divided by 1 over 9, this is now 1 over 27 divided by 1 over 9. Alright, so you change this multiplication by what you have here. This will give you 1 over 27 times 9 over 1. 9 is 1, 9 is 27, 3, still gets 1 over 3. So the common ratio r is 1 over 3. When you impute it in this formula, you are going to have our a first term is, this is the first term of the sequence. We have it to be 1 over 3 over 1 minus, our common ratio is 1 over 3. So let's break down 1 minus 1 over 3. 1 minus 1 over 3. LCM is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 3 into 3 is over 1 times 1. So we have it to be 2 over 3. So basically, this is same thing as 1 over 3 divided by 2 over 3. So same thing as 1 over 3 divided by 2 over 3. Change this to multiplication about what you have here. So this will give us 1 over 3 times 3 over 2. Okay, this will cancel itself, this will cancel itself. So the final result, we have 1 times 1 over 1 times 2, which is the same thing as 1 over 2. That will be the answer to this question. The correct option is what? Option C, 1 over 2. So it's as simple as this, guys. Let's wipe this now, solve the next question. Alright, so guys, next question I'm going to solve is this question. Okay, let me clean this. So the question says the sum of infinity of a geometric progression is this, and the first term is this. Find the common ratio. Alright, just simple logic. Remember, the formula is a, which is the first term over 1 minus r. But in this case, we have the sum of infinity. They give the sum to be minus 1 over 10. We are looking for the common ratio. So it's going to give us our a in this question is, we have minus 1 over 8 over 1 minus r. R is what we're looking for, equals minus 1 over 10. So this is simple logic. When you cross multiply, you're going to have minus 1 over 8 equals minus 1 over 10 times 1 minus r. Okay, so this 1 minus r is times everything at the numerator here. So this is something else. Minus 1 times 1 give us, we have minus 1. Okay, minus 1 times minus r, we have minus 1 plus r over 10. Okay, equals minus 1 over 8. Alright, so when you cross multiply, we're going to have minus 1 times 10 give you minus 10 equals, now 8 in bracket minus 1 plus r. When you simplify this, you're going to have 8 times minus 1, you have minus 8 plus 8 times r, 8r. So you collect like times. This minus 8 will cross over the equality sign and it will change to plus. Alright, so we're going to have minus 10 plus 8 equals to 8r. So minus 10 plus 8 will give us minus 2 equals 8r. Divide both sides by 8. This will cancel itself. So our r will be 2 itself 1, 2 into this 4. Our r will be minus 1 over 4. So now that we have gotten this to be minus 1 over 4, that will be the answer to this question, because basically we are looking for the common ratio, find the common ratio of the progression, which is r. So the correct option to this question is option B, minus 1 over 4. Alright, so this is how you can simplify this. We're making progress. Let's wipe this now and solve the next question. So guys, the next repeated question will be this question. It says find the sum to infinity of the series. So this question is actually simple. From our formula, a over 1 minus r. Okay, so let's get the common ratio r. We have the a to be 1 over 2, which is the first time here. So our r will be, let's do it this way, 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 2. This emptiness, 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 2. Change it to multiplication. About what you have here, it will give you 1 over 6 times 2 over 1. 2 is a 1, 2 into this 3. So we have the common ratio to be 1 over 3. Let's plug it here now. This will give us, remember our a is 1 over 2 divide 1 minus 1 over 3. So let's simplify this. So this is going to give us, when you do 1 over 1 minus 1 over 3, LCM is 3, 1 to 3 is 3, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 to 3 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, we have 2 over 3. So when you bring it to this place, you're going to have 1, let me write this way. So you're going to have 1 over 2 over 2 over 3, which is something as 1 over 2 divide 2 over 3. Change it to multiplication about what you have here. This will give you 1 over 2 times 3 over 2. Alright, so when you simplify this, you're going to have, this is 2 guys, 3 over 2. So when you simplify, you're going to have 3 over 4. Now with the result, the correct option to this question is option D, which is 3 over 4. Alright, so let's now solve the last question, and after you call it a class. Let's wipe this. So guys, the last question I'm going to solve will be this question. Okay, so we're asked to find the sum of infinity of the following series. Alright, so the question is also very easy. Now to simplify this, our general formula is a over 1 minus r. So in this question, our a is 0.5. So to get our common ratio, let's use the calculator here to get it. So it's going to give us, let's do 0.05. Alright, divide 0.5. So we have the output to be 0.1. That's the common ratio. Either you do it this way, or if you still do, let's remove this, 0.005. Okay, divide 0.05. We still get 0.1. Alright, so the common ratio is 0.1. So let's impute everything. Our a is 0.5 over, we have 1 minus 0.1. So when you break this down, 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9. So this is 0.5 over 0.9. Let's verify with the calculator. So this will be 1 minus 0.1. This will give you 0.9. Alright, so another way you can express this is same thing as 5/10 divide 9/10, which is 5/10 divide 9/10. Change this to multiplication, invert what you have here. This will give you 5/10 times 10/9, which you can see safe. So the final output will be 5/9. So the correct option to this question is option D, which is 5/9. Alright, so it's as simple as this. It's either you do it this way, you can also choose to just punch on this calculator 0.5, okay, divide 0.9. We have 0.555556. So when you simplify 5, if you are checking the option 5 divide 9, you still get that output. So this basically can deal with problems involving sum of geometric progression at infinity for the JAMB Maths. These are repeated questions under this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call the video here, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you're subscribed to this channel for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel or what you have learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I have talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Now click on the screen above, and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.